Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You sign into the Google account that owns the blog. Do that now. Once signed in, open Blogger and pick the blog from the dashboard list. This selects the correct site. You go to Settings and then Basic to Surface Identifiers. Make sure to pause if the blog isn't visible. You may be in a different Google account. These initial steps focus the process so the exact blog URL appears in the next screen, so follow them precisely before moving on. Now you go straight to Settings, scroll to Basic, and look under Publishing where Blogger displays the blog address. You copy what it shows, either the Blogspot address or, if present, the custom domain. Once done, verify the prefix. Include http, // or https, // exactly as shown because that determines access and redirects. Make sure to check both the Blogger-provided address and any custom domain entry so you know which one resolves for visitors. Finally, paste the copied URL into a browser and confirm the site loads. This verifies the correct address. If you see a 404 or misdirect, check the custom domain DNS and CNAME records where you registered the domain. Incorrect records cause failures. Once done, make sure to sign out and back into Google or clear your browser cache if the dashboard shows a different blog. That usually fixes account switching problems. If nothing works, confirm you're using the blog owner account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.